Maharshiji's clinic, yoga center. So Maharshi Dr. Yogaraj. Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Dhyanam Moolam Gurur Murte, Puja Moolam Gurur Padam, Mantra Moolam Gurur Vakyam, Moksha Moolam Gurur Prabham. Om Namah Shivananda Gurave Satchidananda Murte, Nishprapanchaya Shantaya Niralambai Tejase, Nityashuddham Nirabhasam Nirakaram Niranjanam Nityabodham Chidanandam Guru Brahma Namamiham. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya, Om Bhagavate Shivanandaya. I am very happy that to see this Maharshiji Clinic Yoga Center and run by Maharshi Dr. Yogaraj for so many years. And through this center, he is serving God in man. And I pray to Sadgurudev Swami Shivanji Maharaj that center may continue, carry on this seva which I have been doing all these years, and may also grow in a dynamic center so that more and more people receive benefit from this center. And may Sadgurudev's benedictions be upon Dr. Yogaraj Ji, Maharshi, and all those people who are services. Sweet. Yeah.
Sweeten your mouth.
Yes.
Sweetening mouth.
Yes, yes. I am. Bhagavan is always sweet, sweeter than the sweet.
With your blessings, everything becomes sweet.
Not my blessing. Blessing is from Holy Master, Swami Shivanji Maharaj. So we all his blessings.
I had come earlier, met you.
Ajay,
You had kindly,
Yes.
you had kindly given your
Yes,
blessings.
yes, very good. You have only taken the exterior, but you cannot take the spirit.
Spirit, I am coming frequently to take it.
Very good, very nice.
I come here frequently.
Very good.
Here.
Kill that stress before it kills you. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Continue your life. Everything is okay. Yes. Carry on. Yes. Very good. I pray to Sadguru Swami Shivanji Maharaj, the work that you have been doing is not your work. It is the work that Bhagavan has ordained you to do. Carry on. That work, you are serving God in man. You see? Gurudev used to say, Manava Seva, Madhava Seva. The service rendered to human being is rendered to God. That is worst service. The person who spends his time doing worship in the temple, morning and evening, when you compare the service that you are rendering, your service is far more superior. Yeah, because you are directly worshipping the Lord in man. That's wonderful. Please carry on.
When can I meet you?
Now I have retired completely. 2 years I served here. So anything you want to say, you please see Padmanabha Maharaj. There is the secretary. Now all responsibility because the body had triple bypass surgery, open heart surgery, yes, and also had double surgery for cancer. You see, you can see scar inside also, the gut inside also. So the body may kick the bucket any time. So you must
Live for
contact those people who live a little more than this body.
You will live 100 years.
Not only any time you but everything the human computer has put. The hour of your coming to the earth, the hour of living also. So everything you can only wish, but one Gurudev used to say, we are all Ayarams and Gayarams. You know, comers and goers. Yes. something है आइए यहाँ थोड़ा प्रसाद है हो रहा है ले जाइए
Yes.
Yes. Swami Shivanji Maharaj, she inspired hundreds, thousands of people all over the world. Though physically he is no more, but yet he lives in spiritual presence, invisible spiritual presence, in the hearts of millions of people all over the world. But you only have to close, immediately he comes to you. Hari Om. Hari Om. Namo Narayana. Namo Narayana. Jai Jai.
You have not gone anywhere from here?
No, I travel all over the world.
Achha, chalo.
And only Chidananda Maharaj asked me to go to Pattamade, twice I went.
Achha, achha.
Only I went to Trivandrum, from there 3 hours drive to Pattamade. Then again I came away. Some work was there.
Where are our Divine Life centers in the world, various places?
Generally,
USA.
we have no like organized branches like Ramakrishna Mission. Because our local devotees, they take care of it. We got a main branch in South Africa. They got sub branches. Similarly, main branch in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. They got another sub branches. Like that, devotees.
In USA, where is your from?
USA, one Swami went. Vishnu Devananda from here he went. He started yoga centers.
Vishnu Devananda from?
From here, he went and settled in America.
Which town?
Many towns. He got Sivananda Yoga Vedanta centers, many towns, but they are all independent. They will no be connected with the headquarters.
Okay.
Like that, another Swami, Sachidananda also went from here. He started many centers. They are all independent. There is no connected to the
Yeah,
headquarters.
not connected. Is it possible to get a list of all?
That is generally,
Not
we have no connection at all. They are completely independent. Swamis, those who go from here, they are completely independent, they do of their own. Not like Ramakrishna Mission.
Right.
France, Germany,
Yeah.
like that.
London also,
Italy.
I think that.
London also is there,
Yeah.
but not only 86 I went outside London.
Okay. Right. When are you planning to go next?
Oh, end of this month I go to Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Okay. So your expenses, traveling expenses
Yeah,
are
yeah,
borne
yeah.
by
The branches.
the branches.
Branches.
They will finance that.
Naturally.
They buy the ticket and send you, I think.
Sometimes I purchase and go and they pay.
Reimburse.
Like that, yes.
So there you will teach some yoga or some lecture?
Yes, everything. Yes.
So you go and give promotions or yoga
Yes.
or yoga classes?
In the beginning, when I went, there were only 4 people. Now there are 40 yoga instructors.
Right.
So you teach them, yoga
Yes, in the
instructors?
beginning, yes.
You give the training to them.
No, I go and meet yoga teachers and sometimes they organize some seminars.
Right.
Very good service you are giving to the humanity.
Oh, good.
I am planning to go to Washington DC,
Okay.
so I thought I can get some tips from you.
They are generally states.
I used to go to this National Academy Missouri. The grade 1 officers undergo administrative training. There, for nearly 30 years he used to go to this. In Hyderabad, friend is there, Mr. Mugandha. Again Mugandha.
Yes, I know.
He was the first, we started in 73. He was the deputy director. Then he became a director. Then I know his son also, small boy in Sarkya. Now he become Microsoft CEO.
Consultant.
Present CEO. He was now Satya Nadella is Satyanarayan. Now he is Microsoft CEO.
His father
He used to come here.
I know him when he was in Missouri. His father was a director for many years.
He is IAS officer.
Yes, he came here. Yugandhar also came here.
And different subjects are handled by different professors.
Instructors, different instructors.
आपका ये कितने समय का कोर्स होता है?
हाँ जी।
How long duration this course is?
2 months.
2 months.
3 courses in a year.
3 courses in India.
March, April.
So generally, how many candidates there?
We have got 40 seats only.
For one
One
day.
lecture also. So we have only space in the lecture hall for 40 students, thereabout. Sometimes it is 42, 41, because we don't charge any fee. Swami Shivanji Maharaj has kept it free, everything free for those who come to the ashram.
Because money, whenever money comes, it creates the
He
problem.
said that I don't want that it should be sold.
That is a very good attitude, very good philosophy. But unfortunately, without money, nothing moves in this world.
No, but you see, he's not charging right from the day it was established, 1936, from the guests and visitors also. He doesn't charge them.
They don't charge. Yes.
If anybody gives voluntary donation, it runs on donation.
Donation, such a
And
big
people
organization. Without donation.
We will like to give you some, how much?
Yeah, that's how.
For what purpose and you and that means we should give.
There are so many heads.
No.
This is one of the heads. You will belong First Academy.
अच्छा.
Then there is one dining hall,
Dining hall.
Annakshetra.
Anakshetra.
Which kshetra?
Anna
Kshetra.
Kshetra.
Or Bhandara today we had given.
It has gone to the Anakshetra.
And that has gone to Anna
You have separate Annakshetra here, or the same Annapurna?
Same.
Same.
Same means
It's one Annakshetra.
Shivananda.
In the ashram.
Shivananda Annapurna.
it is centralized.
It is centralized. Yesterday we gave
All the students, they go there.
For the Maharaj.
9,000 rupees for the
Kheer puri.
Kheer Puri we gave yesterday.
9,000.
Swamiji is based at which place?
I'll give you my little introduction.
Yes.
You
Giving, sir.
एक स्ट्रेस का बुक दे दो अभी बता देंगे अखिलानंद जी को
hospital, this hospital or some specialized hospital according to the disease. And their living, their food, everything is done there. If they don't have clothes, they will be given clothes also. Leper, you see,
Lepers, the living become a
lepers and poor and the sick, old people dying on the roadside or somewhere else. Because Swami Chidananda Maharaj took great interest in that. They said, you see, if on one condition we will look after you, we will provide you huts and all that with the leper colony. Provided you don't sit elsewhere and beg and show your, you see, the disease and all that, leg or hand or whatever, wherever the process is there. That you will not sit in the common and all that. You get treatment, and if your hand are not very
At
well,
present, how many lepers are there?
you see, it varies. Some come, some go, some die.
It always some,
You are from
some
which place?
few are
We
there.
have a separate colony also.
Swanandashram,
And here also they can,
originally Punjab,
Shivanand house, we have got about 70, 80.
settled at a place known as Panchkula. Initially,
Somebody is having a TV. All this left, anybody is on the roadside.
Just like these Christians, they run.
And they don't have anybody anywhere to stay.
They
No
are
food,
But
they will
then
stay there, free
constructed house
medicine,
at
everything.
Panchkula, it touches Chandigarh.
बहुत अच्छा है, very good.
Because I was serving there at
And it
Chandigarh.
is going for years together.
But for the last 20 years, I'm here. Last about 20 years. Here.
So the expenses of this organization is borne by the donation.
Yes,
Because you don't charge anything anywhere.
people give automatically, we don't demand.
I don't know. Nobody.
Anybody who
When
comes
somebody
here,
is saying that such
nobody
a
will say whether you have paid any donation and you are going without. If anybody gives, it is welcome. Otherwise, we don't. Now, this is also going like this. Not a single penny is charged. Their stay, their education, their food, everything. If they are sick or the hospital free.
the society and humanity is living only on these types of services.
Swami
Otherwise,
Shivanand said it is not for selling.
it is not for.
Swami Shiv Bhaktanand
Yoga
is from which
asanas,
place?
It's from
yoga
Tamil Nadu.
education, yoga Vedanta,
Initially
it is
from
not
Tamil
for selling
Nadu. Now
anything.
in Shivanandashram for the last maybe 95. Since 95 years here.
19 years.
19 years.
How old are you, sir, if I'm not asking?
I'm in my 74th year. Completed 73.
You come to Hyderabad, you go straight.
He is Mahayogi Raj.
What is literature?
Mataji is also teaching
She
yoga.
also takes yoga classes.
In yoga, nutrition and food generally.
Very good. I say
You
so.
also must be having number of subjects here for teachers training.
Yes.
You have got
It is
some
not
course
teachers
subjects.
training.
yoga teachers training.
No, it is not yoga. It is yoga Vedanta. Take this.
What is the essence?
One alone who has taken the form of the sentient and non-sentient beings and is doing this cosmic play. No duality.
Advaita. Advaita is the essence of Vedanta.
In Vedanta there are schools of bhakti also, Vishishta Advaita. But the highest philosophy is that of Shankara.
At the end, everything becomes one. As Swamiji has said.
But probably for worshipping, Advaita is a better approach to start with.
That's Lord Krishna also does.
Advaita is the better approach to start with, and then ultimately you achieve the Advaita stage.
Shankara also never rejected this birth, never rejected birth. As a matter of fact, he composed the most beautiful stotras.
No, Lord Krishna, he,
This our national magazine.
this what you given me in the morning. वेदांता का कुछ छोटा सा
Swami Shivananand ji, have you got some smart book on Vedanta?
Vedanta in our library.
I'll pay for it.
Please, please.
If we have some spare copy, we'll give you. There is one bookstall.
There's a bookstore.
And the main bookstall is downstairs, opposite Gurudev Kutir. Have you gone there?
Gurudev Kuti.
Oh, you must
Gurudev Kuti है ना?
Where Swami Shivanand Ji Maharaj lived throughout his life. And it is on the Ganges bank, right on the Ganges bank. Downstairs, have you seen post office?
Downstairs, I have seen the Shivanand office and
In the
then
bazaar, when you are going to Ram Jhula, Shivanand Jhula, have you been to that side of the
yes, that's where we are going.
When
But
you are,
that
when
Kuti
you are
we are
on
not.
that floor, when you are on that
For your health, happiness and prosperity, I pray to worshipful Gurudev and Almighty God and chant 5 times Mahamrityunjay mantra. Om त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव वन्दनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव वन्दनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव वन्दनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव वन्दनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् हरि ओम. May worshipful Gurudev, Swami Shivanji Maharaj and Almighty God bless you with a healthy, long life, prosperity and spiritual evolvement. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat.
Last time when I came, I had the good fortune.
I
to
also
meet,
teach yoga.
Acha.
Vivekanandaji. And he said, please take my photograph with you. And I took that photograph, put in my book.
And when we have, you see, hospital, Swami Shivananda hospital, below. Anybody, even the passers-by,
They can
or
take
villages, anybody, free medicine, free consultation. And then we are running, you see, for lepers also.
ये आप रखिए, आपके लिए.
And anybody is left over on the road.
जीवन नया मिलेगा योग की शरण में. जीवन नया मिलेगा योग की शरण में. साथी दिखाओ चल के योग की डगर पे. साथी दिखाओ चल के योग की डगर पे. जीवन नया मिलेगा योग की शरण में.
जागो जागो उठो
योगी भवा।
शरणं गच्छामि, योगं शरणं गच्छामि, योगं शरणं गच्छामि। जीवन नया मिलेगा योग की शरण में, साथी दिखाओ चल के योग की डगर पे। जीवन नया मिलेगा योग की शरण में।
मिटा दो आंतरिक शत्रुओं को,
मिटा दो आंतरिक शत्रुओं को।
ईर्ष्या द्वेष काम क्रोध अहंकार, अहंकार।
ईर्ष्या द्वेष काम क्रोध अहंकार, अहंकार।
मिटा दो मिटा दो मिटा दो
मिटा दो आंतरिक शत्रुओं को। आरोग्यं मम अधिकारामि, आरोग्यं मम अधिकारामि, आरोग्यं मम अधिकारामि। जीवन नया मिलेगा योग की शरण में, साथी दिखाओ चल के योग की डगर पे। जीवन नया मिलेगा योग की शरण में।
अपना लो अपना लो अपना लो,
अपना लो अपना लो अपना लो।
प्राणायाम जप योग ध्यान, शुद्ध सोच जग का कल्याण। प्राणायाम जप योग ध्यान, शुद्ध सोच जग का कल्याण।